Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a kids short video that you can post on YouTube for shorts. It's a 60-minute or 1 minute video. So I want you to watch this video and look at it, and then I'm gonna show you a step by step on how you can create your own a kids video or any kind of characters that you want for your kids. If you have a channel for kids, and it's anything, it's about story, but I in this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys a story for kids that I just created using VideoExpress and ChatGPT and clone voice inside of this tutorial. All right, so without any further ado, let's watch this.
In the sunny meadow, Piggy trotted happily through the orchard. His eyes widened when he saw shiny red apples hanging from the trees. Piggy, excitedly, "Yum! I cannot wait to taste them." Piggy did not wait a moment. He grabbed one apple and took a big bite. Piggy, making a sour face, "Ew, it is sour." Just then, Farmer Owl flew down from the tree branch. Farmer Owl, "Patience, Piggy. Apples need time to ripen. When they turn bright red, they will taste sweet and juicy." Piggy, embarrassed, "Oh, I will wait next time." Days passed. Piggy waited patiently until the apples turned bright red. He took a bite and smiled. Piggy happily, so sweet. Waiting was worth it. And so, Piggy learned, good things come to those who wait.
All right, the end. All right, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can create this kind of animation inside of this VideoExpress. I'm already here in VideoExpress as you see. All right, and of course we also need ChatGPT to give us a script, a narration, a prompt that we can put to create a video by prompt here. Okay. So there you go. So it's already here. If you already have your VideoExpress, just go ahead, you can follow me. So first we're going to ChatGPT, and I'm going to pick a story. Here are some of the stories, just the summary that GPT gave to me, and we're going to make a scene and script on this into the VideoExpress. I'm gonna choose this Piggy birthday surprise. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this one, and I'm going back to ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to another new one. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that one, and I want the ChatGPT to write a story for 1 minute about this. Okay, and then just copy paste this one about this biggest birthday surprise. Okay, and then add the image prompt, video prompt, narration for each scene, and the morals in the end. All right, sorry about that emergency, outside that you heard. Okay, so this is my prompt. Write a story for a minute, for 1 minute about this biggest birthday surprise. Add the image prompt, video prompt, narration for each scene, and add the morals in the end. That's it. And then I'm just gonna click this one, enter, and let's see what they're gonna get from this. All right, so there are how many scenes? Okay, I got 5 scenes, and the last is the moral of the story. So we're going to start with the scene 1, which is the Piggy wakes up. So I'm gonna get the image prompt first. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the image prompt, and then we're going to VideoExpress, and here we're going to paste the image prompt that we got from GPT. I'm just gonna take all the check because I just want to have a prompt as this one. Okay, so I'm gonna first I'm going to do the vertical one. Okay, don't forget to set the ratio of your video, since it is 1 minute, so I can use that and upload to YouTube. Okay, then click create image, and let's wait for seconds while it's creating. All right, there you go. So, oh, so cute. Okay, a cute piggy in pajamas, yawning and stretching, a cozy bedroom, sunlight. Okay, so I like this, but if you don't like it, you can create another one. So if you don't like it, maybe let's try to create another one. All right, there you go. This one or this one. So it's up to you guys. I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm going to click create a video. There you go. All right, so once we finish this one, we're going back to ChatGPT, and then what I'm gonna do next is the video prompt. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm going back to VideoExpress, and over here I'm going to paste the video prompt. Okay, so I just want to make the video a little bit longer so that when the narration goes, I have enough for the images. All right, and then I'm going to create the image. Click this one. Oh, you will see, guys, it's a human. Okay, so it's a human here. So if you want, you can use the 3D. Okay, but in this tutorial I'm using the image as a human. Okay, I forgot to say that from the beginning. And then I'm going to click and create the image. All right, so since we got this one, and now I'm going to get this one, and I'm going to create a video. All right, so after that, then we're going back again to ChatGPT, and then let's go to the scene 2. So the scene 2 is this one. Okay, I'm going to copy this one, copy, and go to VideoExpress, and then I'm going to paste it here. I'm gonna delete this one first. Okay, and then image type is human. I'm just gonna click this one and create image. Okay, so we're going to do the same process, guys, over and over again until we get into the scene 5. Okay, I'm gonna go doing this process until scene 5, and let's meet at the end. All right, so now after that, what we're gonna do is we're going to this library, and let's see all the images that we just downloaded. Okay, so we're going to my AI videos. Here is the folder, and as you see, guys, it's all here, all the images that we just downloaded. Okay, so we're going to drag this one by one over here. Okay, so this is the first scene. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and let's go back to the first scene. Okay, so now in this time, what we're gonna do is we're going to copy the narration. We already done working on image prompt and video prompt. Now we're going to work on the narration. We're going to copy this one, and we're going to audio clone. So here, from here, gonna create audio, tap this one, and choose the voice that you want. All right, you can choose the voice that you want here from the public library. Just click this one, and just listen to.
Hey, this is what I sound.
Okay, just listen to them, and then choose which sound do you want. Okay, so you can also do this, or you can go to okay, you can select the voice, and here are the already voice that you can also use it. So I'm gonna use John here. And then I'm going to paste here the one that we just copied on the scene 1, the narration. All right, so once you finish with that, you just click this one and create an audio. Okay, generate the audio, and let's wait for a second. All right, so now let's listen to that.
Today is Piggy's birthday. Piggy wakes up excited, thinking it will be just another ordinary day.
All right, so once you're okay with that, then we're going to download this. And now, as you see, it's already downloaded there. So I'm going to download it to my download folders, and I'm going to save it. All right, and then we're going back to the this one, and then we're going to download the scene 2. This is the scene 1. Okay, then we're going back to scene 2. Same process, guys. We're going to copy this one. We're going to clone and create an audio, paste it here, choose the voice, select the voice. All right, and then click this box and create the audio. So same process, guys, until you finish all the narrations into the scene 5. Okay, so now we're on the scene 3. Let's go to the scene 4. Same, guys. Copy, go to clone, create audio, and paste it here. Choose your voice, check the box, and create audio. Then generate sounds. Okay, so now we are now ready to create a video. So since we put all of this is the first one, the first scene, guys. So what we're gonna do with this, guys, is we're going to upload the audio for that. All right, so now after we finish, we try to download all the narrations that we got here. Okay, and I think I need one more. So there you go. Upload the files, and there you go. So all the narrations are here. So this is the first scene that we got. So I'm gonna get the first narration. I'm just gonna drag this one over here. It sounds and looks like.
Today is Piggy's birthday. Piggy wakes up excited, thinking it will be just another ordinary day. Piggy steps outside and notices something strange. Friends whispering and hiding behind trees, giggling. Suddenly, all friends jump out, shouting, "Surprise! Happy birthday, Piggy!" Balloons fly in the air, and Piggy's eyes sparkle with joy. Piggy makes a wish and blows out the candles. Everyone cheers and claps. What a wonderful day! True happiness comes from sharing special moments with friends. Thoughtfulness and love make every day brighter.
Alright guys, so that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. So that is how I create a short video inside of VideoExpress and clone voice using those AI. Alright, so try for yourself, guys, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And that's all for today. And for those of you who are new to my channel, guys, hi! Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload the video. Alright? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and to my supporters, to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for all your support and for watching my video, and hope you learned something from it. Alright, so that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye for now.